A very good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the class. So in today's class we are going to solve this case study. So children, let's start the class. Today's date is 18/9/21 and today's learning outcome is you all will be able to solve the case study. Now what is this case study is, children? It is you will get the question, situation based question, and on that situation, children, some questions will be asked, so you have to read the situation and have to answer to the questions. Okay, so let's start. Let's see our question number 1. In an area, a newspaper agent delivers 6,834 English newspapers, then 3,906 Hindi newspapers, 5,487 Bengali newspapers, and 4,621 SMS newspapers. Based on the given situation, answer the following questions. Now children, this is the situation. This information you got from this question, right? What information you got? That in one area, like your area, in your area, children, all type of newspapers are distributed, right? English, Hindi, whoever wants Hindi, Hindis are also distributed, Bengali, SMS, all languages newspapers are distributed, right? So this information you got. Now what answers are questions are asked on this information? So let's see. The first one, how many more English newspapers are delivered than Hindi newspapers? So you have to choose the correct option out of this. You have to write A, then choose the correct option. How many more English newspapers? You know children, when we compare any two things, in case of comparison, when it is asked who is more or who is less and by how many more or by how many less, children, when there is a comparison, we do subtraction. We find the answer by subtracting. When do we find the answer by subtracting? When we do in case of comparison. Okay, one is in case of comparison and the other is when we find the remaining leftover. So how many more English newspapers are delivered than Hindi newspapers? You can see English newspapers, how many are there? 6,834, whereas Hindi is 3,906. Hindi is less and English is more. English is more, but by how many more? So how can you find? You can find it by subtracting 6,834 minus 3,906. You subtract English newspaper with the Hindi newspaper. Whatever answer, the difference you get, that many more is the English newspaper. So you do it yourself and choose the correct option. Okay, try these questions yourself and I will share the answer after some time. Then the next one, you see, what is the difference between Hindi and Bengali newspaper? What is the difference? The word difference is put here. That means you have to subtract the number of Hindi newspapers with the Bengali newspapers. Okay, now let's see how many Hindi newspapers are there. You can see here 5,487, whereas Hindi is your 3,906. So you are going to subtract Bengali newspapers minus Hindi newspapers. Okay, so whatever the answer you get, that is your difference. Okay, so children, you are going to try these questions yourself. You have to choose the correct option. Which will be the correct option? So what you are going to do, you are going to write B. When you will write the answer, you will put B and in bracket you write the correct option. Okay, as you do the multiple choice questions the same way. Then the next one, you see, which newspaper is read by most people? So you have to go back to the information and you have to see which is the greatest number. That means that newspaper is read the most. So you can see that this is in 6,000. That means the English newspaper, right? So you have to compare all the newspapers and you have to find out that which newspaper is read the most by most of the people. Okay, So you have to choose the correct answer. Hindi, English, Bengali, Assamese. Which is the correct option? Hope it is clear to everyone. Let's see the next one. The next question is, children, estimate the difference between Hindi and Assamese newspapers. So what it is asked here, the word difference is here. So you have to find the difference by subtracting Hindi newspapers with your Assamese newspaper. Okay, bigger number minus smaller number, whatever the answer you get, that is the difference. So you have to choose the correct option whatever the answer you get. Hope it is clear to everyone. So that's all for today, children. Practice at home.